Hey lovelies, so it has been a very busy week for me back to back. When you are a baker by day and a crypto trader by night, you're going to have everything calling for your attention. So today I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos, a lot of overdue videos. And if you are not yet following this channel and you're a crypto trader or someone into crypto airdrops and the likes, you're going to be missing out. So if you're new to my vlog channel, you're most welcome. My name is Susan. This is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining update, my new favorite recipes and cakes, small chops, food trays, commercial drinks, and so much more. So today on the crypto airdrop, I'll be talking about WUMP. Now this WUMP airdrop, they started about 3 days ago. You can see it here. It's on their official Twitter handle, WUMP, 3 days ago, and it is similar to dogs. It is built on the Solana network or Solana blockchain. You can see that here. Yes, it is very similar to dogs. Now, if you have a Discord account, yes, you are in luck. Just like the way dogs compensated people for using the Telegram app and sharing us airdrop based on how long we have been using the Telegram app, same thing applies to WUMP. The only difference is that they're going to be allocating to you awards for how long, or airdrop. Airdrop is the right phrase. Airdrop for how long you have been using your Discord, or how old your Discord account is. So if you have a Discord account that's been 1 year or above, you are in for a beautiful airdrop section very soon. If you look here at their official statement, it says get your WUMP on Discord based on your Discord account age. In other words, this WUMP is an airdrop project that will distribute free tokens to you based on how old your Discord account is. In other words, again, if you have a Discord account that is older than 1 year, you're going to get more free airdrop allocated to you. So, but the minimum is 1 year. So if you have a Discord account that is 1 year old, you are in for free airdrop tokens. Now I'm going to walk you through the process on how to sign up. Once you click on the link in the description box of this video, to take it to the Telegram channel, and you will see the link of this particular airdrop on the Telegram channel. If you've not joined the Telegram channel, the link to the Telegram channel is always in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment. But the reason why I decided to be sharing links only in the Telegram channel is because I discovered a lot of you guys have challenges most time joining airdrop projects, and then you have challenges with some things and you need a one-on-one guide. So that's the reason why I decided that, hey, let's share our links on the Telegram channel. So once you join the Telegram community, you get access to not just the link, you get access to a lot of information. So I'm using a Kiwi browser. Yeah, you can use a Mrs. browser. If you find any of these difficult for you, you can just go ahead and use a VPN. If you are using an Android device, you have a VPN that's the paid features has already been taken care of for you, so you can always use it anytime. So this is WUMP. This is how the dashboard look like. So you're going to come down here and you're going to click on log in with your Discord account, just right here. So you paste the link in the Telegram channel, just paste it on the search button of your Kiwi browser or your Mrs. browser. So once you click like this, it's going to load your Discord and it's going to ask you to authenticate your sign up. So I'm just doing this right now. I am not using any VPN. I'm just using my regular normal data. You're going to see this. You're just going to keep scrolling and you click on authorize. So what you practically need to do on this WUMP is to connect your Discord. Make sure your Discord is at least a minimum of 1 year old, your Discord account. Then see, because I have my Discord is 1 year and 4 months. Look at it. So here's your WUMP reward, and it's a 1,946 WUMP. So I'll come here, I'll click on continue. Remember that this project just started 3 days ago, and this is that 1st of May. So you are very, very early. So now the first thing you're going to do is always make sure you come here daily to claim your reward. If you click down here, you're going to see daily points. So you always log in here to claim your reward. Then you're going to go ahead and do all this. So let me just walk you through it. Let me click on this claim first to claim my 200 WUMP for today. Then you're going to join their WUMP community. So you just click on this. You do all the tasks. You make sure you log in daily. That is all. Don't play with this project because they're going to be listing at the tail end of next month, that is June. So don't play with this project. Please don't play with this project. I played with dogs and I missed out big time on dogs airdrop. So I don't want it to be like that for you guys. So now you see you have been invited to join the WUMP community. I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to click on accept just like this. So because I have the Discord app, it's going to take me to my Discord and I'm going to accept. Just see here, I'll click on accept invite. Just as such, confirm you're human. Walking into this process so that you don't have any issues when you are signing up. If you have been watching my videos and you're still not subscribed, please do me a very big favor and subscribe. So do me a big favor, and so I'm just going to drag this to this image here and click on verify. It's as simple as that, because at the back end of my YouTube channel I get notified that a lot of you guys just watch our videos and you don't subscribe. Please do me a favor and subscribe. So once you are here, just call me and click on those rules, right? So click on those rules just here and you click on verify. See, says you must verify your identity by phone before you can send messages in the server. So I'm going to click here to verify my identity, and I'm going to enter my phone number off the video and I'll get back to the video. So I'll click on next, then I'll click on confirm again. It's just trying to confirm that the number I've entered is correct and it's to verify my number. They're going to send me a code right now to my number. I've sent the code already displaying on the top of my screen. So I'm going to come down here and click on verify. Then it's going to ask me for my password to complete the change. So I'm now going to go back to my QA browser and I'm going to start doing all of the tasks that are there. So you can see that my WUMP point has increased because number one, I joined the community and my Discord account age is 1 year 4 months. If I come down here and click on this rewards here, if I click on this reward there, you're going to see that this is how I got my points, right? So you click on this join community to join the community. You come down to the add tags and you're going to do all the stacks. Yes, just do it, invite friends and all that. So this is the dashboard for WUMP. Then you tweet about WUMP and you get 1,000 WUMP points. Yes, it's like those of us that do YAB. If you're into the YAB or Kaito, this is how it works. So then if you click on this friends tab that's here, you click on this particular friends tab, yeah, you're going to see the number of friends you already have, and you can also copy your referral link and you're going to share it with your friends. Yes, so that is just all about WUMP. Remember I said it just started and you need to key into this project ASAP. And it's just like dogs. Just make sure you have a Discord account that is at least 1 year old. And if you have any issues, just leave me a comment on the Telegram channel and also on YouTube, and I'll be very glad to respond to your issues. So that's all for me for now. Stay tuned till later today because I'll be dropping more videos. Bye.